How to make a pop-up book page. This is a comprehension task that we have here. Let's have a read of this first though. First of all, the technique that's used is pull-ups. So this particular page will actually pull up once you actually turn onto this page, and a pop-up will be seen in front of you. What kind of equipment do you need? Do you need scissors? You need some card, some glue stick, felt pens, and crayons. So how to make the particular example. Step 1, photocopy the sheet opposite onto a card. Step 2, cut the sheet in half along the solid black line and then fold A in half, and this is A here. Step 3, cut the shapes along the solid black lines and decorate them. The rectangular strip should be folded along the dotted lines, and these are the dotted lines that you can see in the middle. Okay. Step 4, fold the hedge in half and cut off the shaded triangle. So this is the hedge that you can see in front of you, and you just cut this triangle here just to make it easy for the book to actually close, or the card to close in half. Step 5, fold the tabs inwards and stick in the area marked on A. Step 6, fold the tab on the base of the rabbit along the dotted line and stick to A where marked. Step 7, glue the strip to the back of the rabbit and to the front of the hedge where indicated by the dotted rectangular shapes. This will enable the hedge to pull up the rabbit shape when the card opens. And step 8, decorate the base of the page, and when closed the shapes will lie flat, so the base means the bottom of the page. And step 9, design other pages for your book. And the last step, step 10, glue the pages back to make a particular book. That's how you make a pop-up book page. So a book page whereby you will just open up the flap, you just open up the page on the book, and then all of a sudden you have this pop-up that will pop up into the air from the book, and it will make it look very visually appealing. This is how a pop-up page book is actually produced. Good luck with this again. Have a read in total, and you've got some follow-up questions to answer thereafter. Thank you.